Hey, Jay here with Dunlop. We're going to give you some tips on applying the Dunlop Tire Stickers. A little trickier than you might think, so check it out. So first of all, on the tire, I like to find the spot right after the word Dunlop. It's a little bit, has a bigger opening, and then I use a little contact cleaner, and that gets all the anything you had from installing the tire. Obviously works best on a new tire. Get that all good and clean. The mold release tabs aren't very tall on the newer tire, so they're pretty small. If you have an older tire, they have the taller ones. You have to peel those off. I peel this off from the P side, and then I just hold it. There's little areas to hold it. You only get one shot at laying this down. This is the new style Dunlop tire sticker that's all one piece, but it's still, you want to be very careful in installing it. You only get the one shot, so you want to be on that right arc, and then you just rub it, and you kind of see the color change. You're rubbing it kind of like an old die cut sticker, and then you're just rubbing it like this. And then you can just touch it like so. And that's all there is to it. So not too bad of a job. And that's all the factory guys do it. All of our project bikes, all the race team bikes look just like that.